Hi guys, it's Wayback Master here from CreatorImpact.com. In today's video, I've got a slightly different video, something I came across a little while ago because I updated Photoshop and I had some tools disappear on my toolbar. So I wanted to show you how you can actually customize and edit your toolbar in Photoshop. Very quick video, very easy to do, and I thought we'd just dive right into it. So essentially, now I have my toolbar here set up. It's got like a single column. The first thing, obviously, just some basics, is I can click this little arrow at the top here and make it like a double column toolbar if I want to, or I can click back for a single. But what happens if we want to sort of customize what we have on here, add or remove? Maybe you want to only have a particular tools on there, so try and sort of cut out a lot of the noise. What I'm actually going to do is, you should see these three little dots down here. I'm going to click on those, and when I click on those, I actually get all the hidden tools. But I want to go here to Edit Toolbar. Now you can see here, I've got here the toolbar and extra tools on the right. All I need to do is actually move these around. Before I do want to quickly touch on these down here. Those three dots I can actually turn off here or turn on. And I can also turn off the color picker here, turn off the quick mask tool, and even the full screen toggle. So you actually turn those on or off down here quite easily. Now, one thing that I found was that my crop tool was missing. I couldn't find crop on here at all. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add crop here into its own section. And you'll see the crop tool is now by itself on its own little section there. But what if I don't want it there? What if I want to have it hidden? I can actually drag it into one of these squares here and have it grouped. So I can drag it into its own space, again, down here, or within this square here, which means if I hit done, I hold down this button and my crop tool will appear there, and along with the shortcut tools. So if I go back in here, edit toolbar, I can simply drag and drop these little tools as I want. So content aware move tool, maybe I don't want that, or maybe I don't want the spot healing brush tool. I can move that back over here and it'll sit in its own spot. I can simply move things back and forth as I want. For example, 3DI material tool, I'm not really going to use that. I can pop that one there. Burn tool, object selection tool. I can go and customize these. I can change the order. I can actually select, if I hover over and pick one item, or I can select the entire box and move the entire box around to where I want on the toolbar. And then of course when I'm done, I simply hit done. Now finally, if you decide, if for some reason you can't see this here, another way to access it is go to Edit and then down to Toolbar, and we get the same thing. So that's a very, very quick, very easy little video for you today. Something just to give you a hand in Photoshop, help you optimize your workspace a bit. Also know that you can move these areas around on and off. You can turn them on. Any of these right areas here, you can turn them on and off by simply ticking and ticking off, or you can even have them floating by dragging, say, this info bar. You can have it sit out there. I can drag it within another area, and you can make basic changes there as well. This video is primarily about the toolbar on the left here, but just wanted to let you know about that as well along here. So you can move these around as well. You can quite easily just shuffle things in place, move them at the top here. It's a very simple process. And once again, if I don't want my brushes on there, I simply hit brushes, or if I want to detach that and close it, it's off. I can go to Windows, brushes, and put it back on there. So just a very quick and easy video to show you just some of the basics of how you can edit your workspace. Also, just this, mainly about this toolbar here, but just in case you're wondering about that, I thought I'd touch on that quickly. But if there's anything else you want to know about in regards to customizing Photoshop, I can go do a more in-depth video if you want to, so leave a comment if you want to see that. Otherwise, I hope you found that little tip useful, and hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to you next time.